y'all, welcome today. I don't really know because I'm not keeping track at this point, but if you hear Chanel is playing with her little Mickey Mouse crinkly toy and it's super loud. So I want to do my winter twist out routine because I'm feeling a twist out. I might even do a braid out. Should I do a braid out or a twist out? Okay, I've decided I'm doing a braid out just because I don't do braid outs on my channel, so I figured why not just do it. For my products today, I wanted these products to be accessible to you, like things that you could find off ground. I realize I use a lot of products that you have to order, and that can be frustrating sometimes. A couple of y'all did mention that, so I do, you know, as a content creator, I realize that, but it's also very hard. The two leave-in conditioners that I really like and will suggest is the Curl Theory Leave-In Conditioner Miracle Worker. You can get this at Target. This was the February Humanity Edition for Black History Month, so that's why this one's black. Another leave-in conditioner that I suggest is the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioner. You can pick this up at Sephora. I'm actually going to use this one today. And my twisting butter will be the Lemongrass Super Twisting Butter. And get this at Target or Walmart. So because my hair is low-key kind of stretched, I just washed my hair, but I did put them in like some loose twists just to stretch a little bit. I don't like to style my hair on soaking wet hair because I get so much shrinkage and it's super annoying. So now I'm going to lightly mist my hair. I'm not going to go super crazy with this because I don't want my hair to be super wet. Alright, so like I said, I'm using the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioner, which is super, super thick, as you can see. Like, it's not gonna fall. It's really rich and creamy. I realize I haven't used this on camera, so I never really talk about it. Held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time. I don't have much left in this product at all, but you don't need a lot of it. It's a super dense butter, so I'm just gonna use that. Now what I really like about this butter, this combination, is that my hair gets super defined, but it's also really moisturizing as well. So I usually use this butter for a twist out, as it says, but today I'm gonna try a braid out. Hopefully it's not a fail because that would be super disappointing. You know what? I'm not doing a braid out. I'm gonna do a Twaid out, which is just starting off as a braid and then finishing off as a twist. And I do have a dedicated video about Twaid outs too, and the comparison of a twist out, braid out, and then what a Twaid out is. So I will leave that in the cards and also in the description bar. I still get that elongation. It's super shiny. Do y'all see that? Pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind, and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my advice, take my advice. So I just realized this is not a review by any means, but a lot of people like to hear their first 5 ingredients in products. So in the Adwoa Beauty Leave-In Conditioner, it has water, bituminum multisulfate, cetyl alcohol, caprylic, and then castor seed oil. The next ingredient is shea butter, then aloe vera leaf juice. A lot of people hate both shea butter and aloe leaf juice. This does not have any coconut oil, which I am very happy with. It does have hydrolyzed quinoa and stuff like that. But because my hair is color treated, but my hair is dry, then I kind of thought this was best. And for the butter, first 5 ingredients is shea butter, olive oil, the caprylic again. What is that, just coconut oil? I don't know. And rice bran extract and lemongrass oil. So these are very moisturizing and dense products. This is perfect for fall/winter for sure. I wanted you. Sink into the oceans, blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. It takes some time even. So one of the tricks that I like to do to make sure that my braid outs, Twaid outs, twist outs are really defined is to apply the products like I'm applying a wash and go. That way it really clumps my hair and allows me to know that all the products are applied to my hair in a really evenly state. Getting your hair as defined as possible before twisting just helps to eliminate frizz as well. And really making sure that your ends are moisturized and coily. Like with this butter, water in this butter is amazing. Like, look at my twist. It looks so good. Look at that. Actually, I might do a 3-strand twist. I do have a video on my channel on how to do a 3-strand twist, so I will leave that up in the cards for you to check out. It's actually pretty, in my opinion, informative and easy to do a 3-strand twist. So I already unraveled this one, right? But I have a little trick for you. If you have low density hair like I do, when it comes down to separating your twists, you're gonna kind of cheat the system and not separate. So this is what I normally would do, right? I would take this section and go all the way down, right? But that kind of leads to my hair to be very limp and very thin. So in this section, this one, all you're gonna do is go like that, and that's it. It creates the illusion of volume, and I find that my hair just looks better. Just like that. That's it. And it already looks a lot thicker. Now with this combination of the butter and the leave-in conditioner and stuff, my hair is ultra moisturizing, super shiny as well, and really, really defined. Look how defined this is. It's just a smile, but I hate it when I'm faking. With you all night in the body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst you. It's kind of like a slinky, like when you're pulling it apart. Just on the accordion, is that what it's called? Accordion. All right, final look. My hair just instantly looked more voluminous. I didn't even do anything to it. I didn't pick it. But imagine if I did pick my hair, it would have looked so much bigger. So that little trick kind of helps me. But I love how moisturized and defined my hair is with the twisting butter and leave-in conditioner. Let's zoom in so y'all can see. And I are falling behind. So yes, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.